Hey Michelle, what you doing today?
Today we are transplanting pepper plants
Uh-huh.
and eggplants
Cool.
they'll be ready for in mid-April.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So we started these, me and Amy Dixon
Mm-hmm.
started
Hi.
these.
What, 10 days ago?
10 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to zoom on in here?
Sure.
Can you come on in here?
Mm-hmm.
So these are the eggplant that we started. So we just take them out of the tray. And you don't have to be very, very careful with them. I'm kind of rough with them, actually.
Are they pretty tough when you take them out?
They're pretty tough. Put your little hole, and then there you go.
And how many will you do of those little seedlings? We do 2 trays of them?
It depends on the variety, and this variety is a popular variety. This is the Florida high bush eggplant, so it gets it's a bigger eggplant, a dark purple. And so there's 32 plants in a tray, so we'll probably do two trays.
Cool.
Of these.
And we pot these up to sell at our annual spring plant sale,
Yes.
right?
Yes, we do.
Cool. So we've got a lot of little babies to do. We've got lots of peppers and eggplants, and soon we'll be doing the all the tomato plants as well. So how many varieties of tomatoes did we start?
We started about, I guess, 18. Over a dozen.
Okay, cool. So we're going to have a lot of little plants for you guys to put in your gardens when the weather breaks. So I know we're kind of uncertain right now with everything going on, but we are ready for spring and we're ready to get out in the garden. So we hope you are too. Thanks, Michelle.